Dr. Mukul Sangma nongilam ka kenhun ki ameli ka Congress hagajala ulong ba muntirang ba Conrad ke Sangma pyrshang ban mushlia ya ka jingtohkit halo ka jingja syasiar yap general secretary barim ka agency wa Chesterfield. Thank you. Ulong ba omdai bandan mano ban mushlia ya ka jingtohkit lada ki kwa ba ka jingsha kan mi shawar ulong ba lada kimsuthu ya ka kam kade ka kamram jungki ban e no.
Now, when we are asking for an independent inquiry, that means we want the truth. And based on that, further course of action as per law must follow. Unfortunately, I have been following the news. The Chief Minister is already trying to influence the whole process of inquiry even before the notification to have that kind of independent inquiry. For that matter, a judicial inquiry has been notified. Nobody should try to influence the course of investigation if we want the truth to come out. We want the truth, based on which other course of action as per law should follow. The other micromanagement and other aspects, which is the job of the government, we will not dwell on this. Other micromanagement. Certain job which comes with the chair that they occupy, that means the responsibility which comes with the position, they must fulfill. That's a call of duty. And if they can't fulfill those responsibilities, if they don't know how to respond to the call of duty, then it's their job to quit. The state's interest precedes everything else, supersedes everything else. Nobody's interest should supersede the interest of the people, interest of the state.